Welcome to Pool Profits, everybody. This channel is dedicated to swimming pool service, digital marketing, home services in general, and entrepreneurship. We're excited to have you come on this journey with us. This channel is going to be providing tons of amazing content related to the swimming pool industry and how you can get into the swimming pool industry and grow within the swimming pool industry. If you already have a company, we're happy to have you with us. We are a digital marketing agency called Pool Profits. And what we do is we create systems, um, platforms, and manage everything related to the digital and marketing side of the business. With us, we are previous pool guys ourselves. So we actually know the business. We're not just another agency that, um, talks a big game and doesn't know what the hell they're talking about, right? So we previously owned pool companies. We previously worked in the field. So we feel like we wanted to bring all of those systems that worked well for us to you. And we hope that you find this information valuable. We're going to be providing lots of great content in the future with this plant channel, along with our content platform. So on that content platform, it's free to join. It's free for the near future. In the long run, it may be paid, but for the near future, it is a free platform. The link is going to be in the description below. Feel free to join. It's if you join now, it's free forever for you. It's tons of great content. We're going to be doing live sessions. You can get one-on-one training from there. So it's just a platform that helps bring everything together. Our goal is to raise the talent pool, no pun intended, of this community and get home pool services to a higher level. We want everybody to really make a ton of money. We want everybody to have a great business and somehow find their way through the industry. We loved it. We still do it. And for us, it's amazing. So we just wanted to take a moment and do a little one-on-one overview of the pool business. There really isn't a ton of content that kind of goes over the pool business and what it's about and how it looks and what to expect really. And it's kind of one of these secret underground industries that nobody really understands. And hopefully, with this video kind of as a icebreaker, we can break that, start that journey together and look into it. So, the United States has approximately almost 11 million residential swimming pools. 11 million. It's a ton. And most of them are geographically uh, geographically distributed throughout the United States. So there's some great swimming pool markets for you to work in. We are based in Arizona, but you can find tons of pools in California, Texas, Nevada, Florida, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, throughout the Carolinas, up and down the East Coast, like New York, New Jersey, tons of great swimming pool markets throughout the United States. The interesting thing about the swimming pool market in general is that when a pool's built, if you think about a house, a swimming pool is one of the most important elements of a house. It provides a lot of value, provides memories, fun, and for the most part, when a swimming pool is built, it's not destroyed, it's not demoed when it gets old, especially. Most people will end up either remodeling or resurfacing a swimming pool, and they're rarely taken down. And why is that important? Is because it keeps adding to the customer base of swimming pools that you can service. The industry itself, so what is swimming pool service? What does that look like? So you have cleaning, you have repairs, you have parts, you have builders, right? So on the another side of the table, we have builders and stores, but we're more focused on the service side. The service, it has to do with the chemicals, getting the balance right, cleaning the actual debris out of the pool, and overview of equipment, make sure everything's functioning. So those are the general roles that a service technician has to fulfill. A general service technician can do approximately 15 pools per day. And I know that sounds like a lot. It can be even more in some markets, depending on how well you got these pools dialed in. It depending on how close you can group them together. And that's where the density matters in these different markets. So why is that important? It's kind of like USPS. We're kind of like the mailman. So they go from pool to pool to pool. It's a route-based business. And that's one of the best parts about it is the closer you can get the homes together, the better dialed in you can get the pools, the more money you're going to make, the more you're going to be able to do, and the more capacity your company can have. So these pool markets having lots of density, lots of pools that keep increasing, not decreasing, it just makes for an amazing business line. And having the capability to do service, repairs, parts, things like that. You just have multiple ways to make money in the industry. It's a great industry overall. And we wanted to kind of touch on a few points that aren't really spoken about on the internet, really. And the reoccurring nature of it is a huge one for us. We have, a lot of these companies are getting a lot of awareness now, and they didn't have that awareness before. So they're getting awareness and they're getting visibility because some of these companies are doing, 2, 3,000 pools per week, 5,000 pools per week, and they're huge. And we're talking anywhere from 100 to $500 per pool, depending on how big the pool is and how much work it takes. On average, so we're based in Arizona, 150 to $200 per pool is, very easily achievable here. And it's very common. You know, there are other factors, but, some of the revenue all of a sudden starts really growing and it's consistent. It's these customers expect you back each week, each month. Most of the markets in the southern United States are all year round, right? So we don't close the pools in most of the southern markets, which means they expect you there every month, Christmas, Thanksgiving, you're there throughout the year. It's consistent. So some of these other trade businesses like HVAC and all these other ones, they're more cyclical. They have a lot more ups and downs. When it's, perfect in October, there's probably a lot of less service calls versus when it's 110 in August, right? And that's the nice nature of this business is the consistency. You have a consistent recurring model with multiple revenue streams growing every day. And the interesting element of that is the Generation X, the baby boomers. You have a big segment of the current people in the industry retiring, just like all the other trades, right? So you have this huge pool of owners looking to retire soon. They're in their late 50s, early 60s. They've done it. They've made a great go at it. They've, taken care of their families. They've made lots of money there and they're ready to retire. And that is where we come in. So we want to grow knowledge, we want to grow awareness of the industry, and we want to develop great talent. We want to help people achieve high skill levels so they can charge more, they can provide excellent value, they can provide excellent service to these homeowners, and raise the skill set of the industry as a whole. We took a lot of time to develop the platform that we have now. So between the marketing, between the operations, between the systems that we have in place, you can do it. You can get into this business. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to help some people realize what that looks like and kind of give you an overview of it. Just to kind of give you an idea, let's do a day in the life. So, depending on how much budget you have and how you want to get started, a lot of guys just start just by themselves, owner operator, just a guy and a pole, right? And single truck or van, and you get started. And with our system, you can get started quickly and grow rapidly. what ends up happening is a lot of guys get stuck, and that's really where we can help out. So just visualize this: you're an owner operator, you go start your day, you get into your software. So there's Pool Route software. There's actual software that makes this work super easy, super streamlined, and it's actually great. We're going to be going over all of that in the channel in future episodes. We're going to do Q&As, content overview, how tos. One of those is going to be software, pool service software. And with this software, you can hit navigate, you can put in the chemical readings, you can put in tasks, reminders, and then you hit done. It shoots out an email to the customers. They love it. They can see their pool is serviced. They can see you've been there. So there's really a lot of great things happening in the industry that's changed over time. Back in the day, people would leave paper hangers. They would say, "Hey, we serviced your pool. These were your chemical readings," and they'd leave it on the door or something on the back. Now it's all digital. So with these softwares, the systems, it's a super streamlined process. You go in, you clean the pool, you do your overview, your maintenance, and you're in and you're out. An average pool might take 10 to 15 minutes on the low end, 20 to 30 minutes on the high end, depending. And if it's taking any more than that, really, it's a bigger pool. It's going to be you're going to be charging more. It's a different story, right? So that's the interesting thing about pool service. And within that industry, it's service based, it's recurring, it's revenue growth is potential is there. So you have all of those factors. And with that, I just wanted to thank you, go over that with you. We're going to be making a lot of content in the future on this channel. Please like, share, subscribe, talk about it, comment. If you're in the industry now, we'd love to hear from you. If you are in a parallel, similar industry, or if you'd like to be in the industry, let us know. We're going to be talking. We're going to be answering all the comments, chats. So, give us a thumbs up, a like, share, subscribe. We're going to be growing this thing, and we need your help. And we really want to thank you for that. Have a great time. See you next time.